Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to collaborate on Instagram after posting. So first you go to your Instagram account. Once you're in there, we want to make sure that you will be going to your post or to your profile. So let's just say that this is your post and you wanted to collaborate with people. So you need to click on these three dots here and then you go to edit. As you can see, there are options here that you need to choose. There is an add location, tag people, edit all text. But the specific option that we're looking for, it says on the upper corner of add location, it will say add paid partnership label. However, in my case, I do not have that one. So there are two main reasons. First reason is maybe in my country it's not available. Second, I need to update my Instagram account. But in my case, I'm going to show you how to resolve that one, since we do not have that here in my end. If you do not have the option add paper or partnership label, all you need to do guys is you go to your profile, go to this three dots here on the upper right corner, you go to settings, scroll down and go to help. Once you go to help, you need to choose report problem or report a problem. Okay, all right, and let's go and report this problem. And you will going to right here, please help, I do not have add paid partnership label option. And then you need to send that one, and it depends on how long they will going to reply you, but it really actually depends on the availability of the customer service agent. But that's the main solution on how to get the paid partnership label. I hope this helps. Thank you so much.